women should do. 1. No matter how handsome or charming he is, never get involved with another woman's husband. 2. His looks won't raise your children. Find a man with a pure, genuine heart. 3. Be very picky about which men you spend your time with. Wasting time on the wrong man is worse than wasting money. 4. A woman faces challenges every day. If your man becomes another challenge for you, leave him. You deserve a man who brings you peace. 5. Love your purpose more than you love your man, and you will keep both. Love your man more than your purpose, and you risk losing both. Teach your daughter this. 6. The guy you're crying over today will be with another woman in 2 weeks if you drop dead tomorrow. Your parents will cry forever. Prioritize accordingly. 7. Men call women clingy or nagging when they don't want to meet their responsibilities. 8. If you find a man who respects you and defends your honor behind your back, you are a lucky woman. Keep him close. 9. Just because a man says all the right things doesn't mean he's being truthful. Teach your daughters this. 10. I can fix him. It is not your duty to fix someone you didn't break. You are a woman looking for a good man. You're not a therapist. 11. Control your emotions, and you'll understand how unworthy 90% of men are. 12. The more you focus on yourself, the more men will focus on you. The more you focus on men, the more they pull away from you. Funny how that works. 13. Foolish women flaunt wealth to attract men. Wise women stay grounded to attract character. 14. Don't be a fallback plan for men who spent their 20s avoiding responsibility. 15. If you're a woman pursuing your dreams, building your future, and taking care of yourself, your life is already challenging. Don't complicate it by dating toxic or emotionally unavailable men. 16. A woman with a vision needs a man with a mission, not a boy who's still playing games. Your man should be an asset to your life, not a liability. 17. Ignoring a man's past, ruining your future. The choice is yours. 18. Other women flirting with your man isn't the problem. Your man enjoying their attention is the real problem. 19. Today, you might not be the woman he wants. That's okay. It is your responsibility to become a woman who doesn't need him, but one he would regret losing. 20. There is no man alive who is worth killing yourself over. Remember that, daughter. Be wise. Stay Putinized. Until you subscribe to Brave Minds projects, men will continue to useless you. The mission of Brave Mind is to inspire and improve people's lives. Join us on our journey by following the community with premium content.